purpose of dash was to reduce the concentration of land ownership in a few hands. The purpose of dash, two options have been given: land reforms, land sealing. Yes, land sealing. Term का meaning has been given and single term has been asked. So land sealing means to reduce the concentration of land in few hands. Next question is, which of the following countries has the lowest density of population? Yet better to be at home. Options are India, Pakistan, China, none of these. China. Lowest density of population because of the vast size of their country. Geographical area is vast. Next is, long-term loans are given for the period of, two options are given, 1 to 5 years or 5 to 20 years. 5 years. Okay, very fine. Next is question here. Yes, this is important. You can note down if you want. How does poverty line categorize poor people in India? How does poverty line categorize poor people in India? Please open the notebook. Sometimes different question comes or numerical type question comes. How does poverty line categorize poor people in India? Anyone who has a clue can tell.
Poverty line has various measures to categorize poor and non-poor. Like for consumption expenditure (MSCP), the minimum consumption expenditure for rural.
Categories बता. What the idea?
Transient poor, chronic poor, chronic poor, and non-poor.
Yes, 3 categories are there. You can write down the hint later on from the book. You can learn chronic poor. Second is transient poor. Third, non-poor. Chronic poor. Second, transient poor. TRANSIENT. Transient poor. Third is non-poor. Chronic poor का मतलब होता है those who usually live below the poverty line. Further, it is of 2 types: always poor and usually poor. जो transient poor है, they are the 2 types of churning poor. जो regularly move in and move out of the poverty, and occasionally poor. And non-poor, those who are above the poverty line. ठीक है? Okay. Next है हमारा question. ये भी important है if you want to note down. Give a quantitative appraisal of India's demographic profile during the colonial period. Give a quantitative appraisal of India's demographic profile during colonial period. Demographic profile means related to population. Quantitative का मतलब with data we have to tell.
High birth rate, death rate, high infant mortality rate, low literacy rate, and low life expectancy.
Yes, along with data. Okay, you can note down to be learned from chapter 1 economic theory में से low level of literacy, it was less than 16%. It is given in the book, less than 16%. High mortality rate, it was about very alarming 2,218 per thousand के आसपास. Then low life expectancy, hardly up to 32 years, and lack of public health facilities. Various diseases were there. ये सारे 3 or 4 points are there. With data they are to be given. ठीक है? Demographic profile means related to human population. Next question is, yes, which of the following? Now carefully listen and think carefully. Which of the following is an intermediate product? Okay, you have to tell intermediate product concept. 4 options are given. Purchase of equipment for installation in a factory. Purchase of equipment for installation in a factory. Second है car purchased by a household. Third है purchase of furniture by a firm. Last है purchase of food grains by a hotel.
Purchase of equipment.
I repeat the options. Listen once again. Don't shout, don't discuss. You yourself think carefully. I repeat the options. You have to tell which one of these 4 is an intermediate good. First option, purchase of equipment for installation in a factory. Second, car purchased by household. Third, purchase of furniture by a firm. Fourth, purchase of food grains by a hotel. लास्ट वाला ऑप्शन आना है बिकॉज इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट की जो डेफिनेशन है दैट मीन्स द प्रोडक्ट शुड गेट यूज्ड अप, यूटिलाइज हो जाना चाहिए. कार वाला तो हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज वो पर्सनल कंजम्पशन का है, फर्दर नॉट टू बी सोल्ड. फर्नीचर ऑफ अ फर्म, वो फर्म ने अपने काम में यूज में लेके आना है, वो भी आगे ना तो देना है अपने, मान लो रिसेप्शन में रखना है या कहीं रखना है, वो भी आगे कहीं पर नहीं जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट है परचेज ऑफ इक्विपमेंट. इक्विपमेंट मतलब मशीनरी. तो मशीनरी इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता, उसकी होती है डेप्रिसिएशन. फिक्स्ड एसेट है, वो फिजिकल फिक्स्ड एसेट है, तो उसकी डेप्रिसिएशन होती है. दैट डज नॉट गेट एंडेड अप इन द प्रोडक्शन. होटल में जो फूड है वो अपनी ओरिजिनल जो फीचर है इट विल लूज दैट. फॉर्म चेंज हो जाएगी, अनकुक्ड फॉर्म से कुक्ड फॉर्म में अपनी शेप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन उसका सारा हो जाएगा. फूड वाला जो होटल वाला है दैट इज द राइट ऑप्शन. ऐसे क्वेश्चन में ध्यान से करना है. 1 मार्क इधर यू कैन गेट और यू कैन लूज ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज ए न्यूमेरिकल, प्लीज राइट आउट. कैलकुलेट या कंप्यूट एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, नेट डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. गिवन जीडीपी एट एमपी 100, गिवन जीडीपी ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट एट मार्केट प्राइस 100, सब्सिडीज 5, डेप्रिसिएशन 10. सब्सिडीज 5, डेप्रिसिएशन 10, जीडीपी एट एमपी है 100. कैलकुलेट एनडीपी एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट.
सरकारी स्कूल के बच्चे भी मोड़ा
You are not writing. Just settling the pages only. So that is also very good work.
सरकारी स्कूल के बच्चे भी जरा मोड़ा हाल है.
हाँ जी, here 4 options. Unsolved है. I am going to tell the 4 options. 95, 100, 105, 115.
95.
All are getting 95. Okay. Can I take mark it? Is it okay?
Yes.
95.
तेरे कमल नहीं पढ़ाते ना, तेरे में
Next
कमल
is
कल मोती भी खिलाता.
next blank की form में question is there and 2 options have been given. Higher cash reserve ratio implies dash capacity of the commercial banks to create credit. Lower या higher?
Lower.
Listen again. Higher cash reserve ratio implies या it means dash capacity of commercial banks to create credit. Lower या higher? Lower है. Higher cash reserve ratio रख दिया तो less amount can be given as low. Okay. Next is identify whether the following statement is true. True or not, you have to tell. Given line is in balance of payment, repayment of loan by Indian government to Japanese government will be reflected as credit item. Repayment of loan by India's government to any of other country, किसी को भी देना है, that will be reflected as credit item.
False.
It will be shown in the debit side because outflow is taking place. Although responsibility is coming down, but that is not a matter to be considered. Here we just have to see the flow only, outflow. Second, deficit in balance of trade indicates deficit in balance of payment also.
False.
Deficit in balance of trade indicates deficit in balance of payment also. It is false. Not necessarily due to that small part of BOT, balance of payment may not be there in disequilibrium or deficit form. So it is a false statement. Next is foreign exchange received on account of export of jute will be recorded in current account. Foreign exchange, सुन लो ध्यान से. Foreign exchange received on account of export of jute, जूट की फसल है जो क्रॉप है, जूट will be recorded in current account.
True.
This is true. Jute is a visible item, तो it will be उसका जो ये foreign exchange received है due to export, inflow is taking place. तो साथ में you will write it is true because inflow of foreign exchange is taking place due to export. जूट के place पे name of any other item can also be there. Any food crop या कुछ भी anything can be there. Okay. Next. Blank है, 4 options have been given. A company located in India receives a loan from a company located abroad. One company is located in India. It is receiving loan from a company which is located in any other country. How is this transaction recorded in India's balance of payment account? How is this transaction? The Indian company has taken loan from foreign country. हमारे BOP account में how will it be shown? Yes, very right. Money is coming, loan की फॉर्म में आ रहा है. Money is coming credit side. Loan है तो that means capital side पे आएगा. Borrowing and loans ये आपको याद होगा. That is a part and parcel of capital side. So credit side of capital account. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में not necessarily कि option may be given. Simply open blank can be given. You yourself have to fill. Okay, next question है decrease, reduction. Decrease in bank rate will lead to, two options are given, fall in aggregate demand or rise in aggregate. Rise in aggregate. I think this question was there in paper also. Fine. Comment on the following statement. RBI can control money supply in market through repo rate. RBI can control money supply in market through repo rate and reverse repo rate. Because both of these are tools of quantitative side. So RBI can make use of. If the same question is for 4 marks or 3 marks, then little bit explanation. One heading repo rate, explain that. How is it going to affect? One heading of reverse repo rate, briefly explain that. If only for 1 mark hai, to only you have to tell yes or no. How is it going to affect? Okay. Next question is explain the process of money creation. ये commercial banks वाला one table is to be given. Assuming कि primary deposit so and so, any value can be taken. Legal reserve ratio is this much %. अपने हिसाब से, अपने example के accordingly. Then 5-6 values are to be expanded in the table to be explained. Last में जाके money multiplier या total deposits will be so and so formula है. तो explain करना है आपको. Next है question. How should the following be treated while estimating national income and give reason also? Estimation of national income. Example दिया हुआ है. That is expenditure on education of children by a family. Expenditure on education of children by a family. Will it be included in national income or not?
Not included because personal expenditures are not included in national income. Yes, it will be included in national income because it is a part of private final consumption expenditure.
Yes. As per private family's expenditure है, private final consumption expenditure है, money spent by the parents that will be included as a part of private final consumption expenditure under expenditure method. You should elaborate. Under expenditure method, in the calculation of national income, it becomes a part of private final consumption expenditure. Okay. Okay. Next line is define inflationary gap. 2 marks में ये 2 terms have been asked. One is define inflationary gap. Second पूछा है. Second they have given define ex ante investment. Very simple. Already you have revised. Inflationary gap. Other than Devanshi, who else can tell? Inflationary. IN. We just hardly 2 days back we have done this. Harleen को आया.
It is a gap that aggregate demand is more than aggregate supply in an economy at full employment.
Yes, very right, perfectly right. Inflationary gap is the diagrammatic presentation of the excess of aggregate demand over aggregate supply corresponding to full employment level of income. Am I clear? I repeat, inflationary gap is the diagrammatic presentation of excess of aggregate demand over aggregate supply corresponding to full employment level of income. वही बात बोली है जो आपने याद किया उसी को बोला, लाइन ही एक बनाई और कुछ नहीं है. Diagrammatic presentation word is to be inserted. Then आपकी मर्जी है, फिर as per marks if you want to draw diagram you can. Second is ex ante investment. Routine. Please repeat.
The investments which are already planned.
Yes, already word कैन बी स्किप्ड. हाँ जी, बैठी बैठी ठीक है. ओके.
Investment which the household and the owners are planning to voluntary or family.
प्लैंड इन्वेस्टमेंट सीधे कह सकते हैं प्लैंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स विच आर प्रपोज्ड और प्लैंड या which investors want to invest. Desired, any word can be used. Fine, absolutely right.